Hello friends, I have created this video for my international viewers. I am going to show you a video where I had recorded a strong atmospheric manifestation which is claimed by paranormal experts that these are being done by spirits and ghosts. But I have a doubt here. Uh, there are things like poltergeist activity and there are things like atmospheric manifestations. Are these two things same or they do differ? I decided to choose a full moon night for my paranormal investigation, and I think I was quite successful in you know bringing the video. I had gone through lots of internet articles that during full night paranormal activity is very high. It's because of greater amount of natural EMF present on Earth due to a big variation in geomagnetic field. That is a different kind of theory which is related to seismic activities going through the crust of Earth, the mantle of Earth.
मैंने राइट साइड में अपने एक शैडो देखा था अभी। क्या ये सही है या वहम है मेरा? अगर सही है तो तीसरी चौथी बत्ती जला सकते हैं आप। एक बड़ा लाइट सा ग्लास है मेरे नीचे। क्या ये हिल सकता है मेरे कहने पे? हम्म ये खड़ा हो सकता है क्या, जैसे हम ग्लास को रखते हैं? नहीं, हिल सकता है। जोर से हिल सकता है? जोर से हिल सकता है ये? चलिए, जो भी इंडिकेशन आपने दिया वो बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं है, बहुत कम भी नहीं है। कुछ तो ऐसा कीजिए स्ट्रांग सा जिससे ठीक है।
So guys, you have all the reasons to accept or discard the theory behind atmospheric manifestation, what I had demonstrated in my just few seconds ago. And now you will be going to watch a video which was being taken by Gaurav Tiwari during famous paranormal series that was Haunting Australia. Okay. He recorded a very strong movement of trees on his command, though at last he discarded this because he said that could be some natural cause due to air.
Mary, can you show yourself to me? Mary, can you show any sign, any presence of you so that I can know that you can hear me and you're interested in interacting with me? Can you blow the wind again to let me know that you're here? I just asked if Mary could blow the wind for me and something is happening. It could be natural, I don't know. Mary, who was William James?
एक बड़ा लाइट सा ग्लास है मेरे नीचे।
So guys,
क्या
let's
ये हिल
notice
सकता है
the
मेरे कहने पे?
incredible thing happened in this video. Okay, I said, can this
Hmm.
move? Yeah, that moved slightly. We all can see. We all can see that that moved slightly. Then I asked, can this be glass placed vertically?
खड़ा हो सकता है क्या जैसे
But
हम
that
ग्लास को
never
देखते हैं?
happened. Okay, I was just confused whether the to and fro movement of
हिल
glass
सकता है.
is being done by some ghost spirits, or it is being
जोर
done
से हिल
by the
सकता है?
natural phenomena, what we call wind or a breezing
जोर से
situation.
हिल सकता है ये?
And I was about to end the video, and I was quite skeptic about
तो
that
चलिए
atmospheric
2 घंटे की
manifestation.
समाप्ति
But
हुई है.
at last, I was just stunned. At last, whatever I had
मतलब
witnessed, I was stunned. You can see the
समझे नहीं.
second glass which is being placed there.
कुछ तो ऐसा कीजिए स्ट्रॉन्ग
That
सा
glass, the
जिससे
targeted, the focus glass, that moved way like a crazy in semicircular way,
ठीक है.
and the second glass has no movement. So this was my illustration, and all guys who all are watching my video in Western countries, and especially those who are into paranormal research, you might be facing a problem from rationalists and some scientists that you guys are befooling people. There is no such things like ghosts or spirits. So on a logical ground, you may counter them, you may counter attack them, that how these things are happening, how these things are happening on your command. So that was the whole story. What I want to say, that if you keep the logical answer within the scientific domain, probably they will be able to understand, and if they fail to understand, then just think that there are some different kind of people who have pre-planned thoughts that no, this thing is impossible and this can't happen, these things are just a myth, because they do have very poor understanding of science. As per me, I am not targeting scientist, I am targeting rationalist, because they can choose very good scientific words, but hardly they are able to explain those words. Okay, because I have seen these things in my life, I have witnessed that even on BBC. uh, I had roasted a so-called famous rationalist of India, but BBC never aired that program because that was against the guideline, against the content guideline of British Broadcasting Corporation. Okay guys, that was the whole thing what I tried to explain. Hope you will like it.